Today we're going to talk about the introduction of the circulatory story. So look at the introduction on page 5, and I want you to think back to our painted essay. Think back to what the colors red and green represented. Remember that red represents the hook to catch the author's attention, and green represents the focus statement. So over here I have highlighted the red and the green parts of that introduction on page 5. What do you notice about the first red section of the text? So hopefully you've noticed that the first two sentences are red because the color red grabs our attention, just like the first two sentences in the text. The author asks us two questions that we have wondered about. So this grabs our attention and makes us want to keep reading. The author hooks you with the interesting questions. What do you notice about the next green section of the text? The color green in the painted essay shows you the focus statement. The focus statement tells the reader what the whole text is about. Green is made by blending yellow and blue, and these colors show the two important points a writer is explaining in an essay. In this sentence from the circulatory story, the author tells us the book will explain how our heart, blood, and blood vessels work together. It also says we will take the best ride of our lives, so it makes us think that the author is going to make the story interesting.